Yeah, hi people. Today is engine running day, and I've got a couple of apologies to make, but the guy looking at us in that picture there is Peter Stewart. He's a really great guy and been working on the Healey engine for me to get it up to running condition. Today is the day, big day, and it's a milestone because it's been something like 42 odd years since that engine's run. A lot of work been done on it, cylinders, pistons, rehoning, and a lot of work on the head, welding, because there were a lot of cracks in the head, but it should be good to go. So the apology part is that we've had to use the jumper leads from his four-wheel drive because my battery couldn't hack the pace, and so you're also going to hear the sound of this four-wheel drive running. It didn't sound that bad actually when I was filming, but the microphone seemed to pick that up. But actually when the engine runs, the Healey engine that is, when that's running, it seems to die off and the Healey engine picks up. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. I'm sort of driving the camera, so it's a bit hard to show me in the picture talking, and also with the engine running, that's the four-wheel drive running, it's a bit hard to hear, but there's not much that I can do about it because this was the first time, and we're tickled pink by it. Okay, what we're doing is we're just using the battery of this four-wheel drive to get us a jump start on the starter motor. We're using a bit of aero start in the carbies just to fire it up. We've got fuel pumps, and everything's just about ready to go here on this side. So this will be the first firing of the engine. So and on this side again, this is where it's all going to happen. What we've done is, of course, go high torque starter motor, and we've converted this to electronic ignition. So now Pete, that's Pete. Hello Pete. He's been doing a lot of work on the carbies as well. So they're the SU carbies, standard, and I'll take the filming from the outside. Pete, okay, when you're ready. Okay, wow, that's about the first firing in about 40-50 years. So don't forget we haven't got a muffler on. Like an Austin Healey. Okay. I think we still need a little bit of tuning, but it's starting to look good. So. Okay. Okay, got a couple of little leaks as well. Just one of those union joints there is leaking a bit deep.
Which one? Oh, okay.
1 These are these are all the helpers. That's Brian and Derry and my mate. Yes, Kenny, and he's working, of course, on his Mustang dashboard, changing it from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. Hasn't he done a good job? Well done, Kenny. He doesn't believe it. Okay, back to this. We're just fine-tuning it a little bit, so I'll put the camera on the stand. So, that's a major milestone, people. First time in, what? Last registered in 78. I'd say 80. Wow. That's a good 43 odd years, 42 years.
We had it running.
Yes. How much fuel pressure?
That seems to drop off as soon as I turn it off.
Oh, what's for that?
So yeah, I think we can call that success.
Say again?
I think we can call that success.
Oh yeah, absolutely, 100%.
Yeah, this is where also we could get a timing light on it. Yeah, so we've got a little bit off, but not too bad. All it needs now is a body to go around it.
Yeah, well that's the easy part. I've got that. It's down at the at home, of course.
At home.
Okay. Do you think you can get another firing out of it, or?
Might be able to. Might do.
What size would it be then?
We'll get on the top dead center and just
there is an arrow just there.
yeah.
And Then that should be, there should be a cutout on here.
Right, okay.
There you can see, there's a dimple there.
Right, okay. You've got compression, that's for sure. Has it turned over yet?
Yeah, we had a firing.
Oh, yeah.
It was happy for about 3 seconds.
Oh. Another go?
Yeah, I guess so. When you're ready.
Okay, let's go.
There you go.
Well done.
Fantastic. Yeah, good start. Yeah. We haven't got any water in it, so we can't run it any more than that.
No, it's all right.
Okay.
And this is also hot too.
Yeah.
It's fired up easy anyway.